Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today we are going to see a solution for write a C program to check whether a number is even or odd using bitwise operator. Now the solution is to find out whether the number is even or odd using bitwise operator. So finding number whether it is even or odd, it's not a big task. Okay. But when it comes to find out by using a bitwise operator, then always remember whenever we are going to use the bitwise operator, that means somewhere we are going to deal with the bits, that binary digits, binary numbers. We know that binary numbers means the numbers which are written in the form of 0 and 1. Before going for the solution to find out even or odd number using bitwise operator, we need to know two fundamentals about this bitwise. One is most significant bit. In short, it is called as MSB. And second is least significant bit. It's called as LSB. These are the two important terminology of binary numbers. For example, let us take one example. Suppose I want to write the binary number of 12. This is a decimal number, right? If I want to write the binary number of this 12, the number would be in 8-bit representation is 0000 space 1100. This is a binary equivalent of this 12 number. This is binary equivalent of this 12 decimal number. Okay, already in my one video I told you how to write this binary number. Okay, so now if I'll take this number, so the rightmost last digit, this 0, for example, I'll make this with some another color like 0, red color. So this particular number is called as LSB. This number is called as what? This number is called as LSB. This is the least what? Significant bit. Whereas in left hand side, this extreme left number, that is 0, is called as, suppose I'll mark this with some purple color. Okay, this is called as MSB, that is most significant bit. Okay, I'll just mark this with some arrows so that you will get to know. This one is called as MSB and this one is called as LSB, least significant bit and most significant bit. So why I actually explain this concept here, right? Because this concept here we require to find out even or odd number using bitwise operator. The logic says if the LSB, if least significant bit is 1, then the number is even, sorry, the number is odd. If LSB is 0, then the number is, yeah, of course, you can guess now, that is even. This is what the logic behind this. Now, if I say LSB, now you know that what exactly mean by LSB, the rightmost digit of the binary number. That is the reason why I explained this LSB and MSB. Now, how to find whether that least significant bit is 1 or 0? So what we need to do, we need to use a bitwise AND operator here. We need to use what? A bitwise AND operator. Already we have seen bitwise. This is the AND operator. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to do AND, this bitwise AND, right, with that particular number. So bitwise AND means what? We need to do the operation by using 1 and that number. That means what? I need to perform the operation num and 1. And if the result of that least bit. If it is 1, then it is a odd number. If it is 0, then it is a even number. Okay, for example, if I'll take one number again, this 12, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, sorry, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now, I will AND with this particular binary number with 1. So, I'll write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is 1. If the result, we know that, right, when this AND will result 1, when both the numbers will be 1, then only it results to 1, or else it will give what? 0. Okay, we know the operation of bitwise AND. Okay, for example, I'll write here, if you are still getting confused, 1 and 1, then the result would be 1, right? In another case, it will give only 0, whether it will be 0 and 1 equal to 0, whether it will be 1 and 0, the result would be 0. Any combination you take, except 1 and 1 will give only 1. So here, you will calculate this one. If I'll calculate this one, the result would be, yes, what is the result, you tell me now? 0, 0, 0, 0, here 0, this is also the 0, 0, and 1, 0 is again 0. So what the least significant bit I am getting here? That is 0. And we know that if the number, if the LSB is 0, then we say that the given number is what? Even. So 12 is even. I hope you are getting. If not, then we'll take the example of one more number. For example, if I'll take a 15. This is a 15 number. What is the binary equivalent of this 15 is? 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Then 8, 4, 12 plus 1, 1, this is 12. 1, this is 14, 1. This is what binary equivalent of what? Of 15. Okay, I'll do AND with 1. So 0, 0, 0, 0 space 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, if I'll do the result here of the AND operator, bitwise AND operator, I'll just put one line here. And if I'll write down the result just below this, so what is the result here? 0, 0, 0, 0 space 1, 0 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, but last one you see 1, 1 is 1. So what LSB I'm getting here? Here I'm getting the LSB is 1, and we know that if the LSB is 1, that means what? The number is odd. If LSB is odd, 1, the number is odd. If LSB is 0, then the number is even. In case of this 12, right, this LSB is what? 0. So that 12 is what? Even, right? And here in this 15 number, what we are getting the LSB? See, it is 1. And if it is 1, the number is odd. So 15 is what? Odd. This is a simple logic to find out the number is even or odd using bitwise operator. Okay, so let us now perform one program on this. Very simple program. Okay, so the program is to find out whether the number is even or odd. Now, hash include stdio.h, enter, void main, then I'll take some int number and printf, I'll take any number, enter any number. Okay, I'll scanf %d comma address, I'm taking the number. Now we need to check. Okay, so we know that control structures. If I want to do this and num and 1, right, what are the result we are getting here? That will be, if it is equals to 1, then the condition will be true. If it is 0, the condition will false. If the condition is true and if you are getting number 1, right, you are getting 1, that means you have to print what? Printf. If it is 1, what would be the answer? See this one, if it be the 1, LSB is 1, right, then what is the answer? It should be a odd number. So I'll write here the number, or else I'll write like percent %d is odd, and comma, here what I will print? Number. Okay, else if it is not returning 1, that means it's returning 0, and if it is written 0, we know that the number is percent %d is even. Okay, comma num. Let's see will it work or not. I think it should work. Okay, I'll save this with the name of like control V only, even or odd, using. Okay, the program is very simple. This num and 1. Okay, if I'll execute this, it will ask for the number. Let us enter first 12. It should give the number is even. Yes, suppose if I enter something 15, it should give the number is odd. Let us try some another number. If I'll enter number 11, is it odd or even? Of course, it's a odd number. Okay, if I'll enter one more number like 36, it will give the even number. So what exactly going here, right? Exactly this logic is going to be executed in the back, right? It we will and with the by using the bitwise and this kind of operation we are performing. If it returns 1, then the number is odd. If it returns 0, the number is even. Okay, so this expression is nothing but this expression is exactly equal to, for example, this exactly equal to 1, like that. If it returns equals to 1, then 1 is equal to 1. Yes. Okay. If you want, you can execute 45 as an odd number, etc. So the logic, I hope you have got the logic. Logic is very easy. Whenever we are dealing with a bitwise kind of thing, that means what? You are referring to the binary numbers. Okay, so in my one video, I already told about you how to write the binary numbers. So I hope you have got the solution for how to find out the even or odd number using bitwise operator. We will come up with more videos. Okay, till then keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon. Till then watch my all videos. Bye bye.